Exploring the limits of the universe. Is it finite or infinite? Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if there's an end to it all? Does space go on forever, or does it have an edge? Today, we're diving deep into one of the greatest cosmic mysteries of all time. Is the universe finite or infinite? This question has puzzled humanity for millennia. And now, thanks to modern science, we're closer than ever to understanding the scale of everything. Let's start with a basic idea. When we say universe, what do we really mean? To scientists, the observable universe is everything we can see, about 93 billion light-years across. But beyond that, that's where the mystery deepens. Because what lies outside our observable bubble is still unknown. And it all depends on how space itself behaves. We know the universe is expanding. Ever since the Big Bang, space has been stretching faster and faster. And that expansion creates a cosmic horizon, a limit to how far we can see. It's not because there's nothing beyond it. It's because light from beyond that distance hasn't had time to reach us yet. Here's where Einstein's theory of general relativity comes in. It tells us that the universe can be curved, positively curved like a sphere, flat like a sheet of paper, or negatively curved like a saddle. If the universe is positively curved, it might loop back on itself, meaning if you traveled in one direction long enough, you'd end up right where you started. That would make the universe finite, but with no edge. But if the universe is flat, as most evidence suggests, it might be infinite, stretching out forever in all directions. The cosmic microwave background radiation, leftover light from the Big Bang, helps scientists measure the geometry of the universe. And what it tells us is that the universe is incredibly flat, with a margin of error so small it's almost impossible to detect any curve. But here's the catch. Even if it's flat, that doesn't prove it's infinite. It could still be very, very large, but finite. This isn't just a scientific question. It's deeply philosophical. Can we truly imagine infinity? Something with no beginning, no middle, and no end? Our brains are wired to understand limits, edges, boundaries. So the concept of an endless cosmos is both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Cosmologists use complex simulations to model different universe shapes. They input dark matter, dark energy, gravity, and time to see how space behaves under different conditions. What they've found is that while we can't yet see or measure the full universe, the math behind it doesn't rule out infinity. In fact, some models require an infinite universe to explain how everything fits together. And then comes the multiverse theory. What if our universe is just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam? In that case, our universe could be finite, but the larger multiverse could be infinite. Each bubble could have its own laws of physics, dimensions, even time itself. It's a concept that stretches imagination to the breaking point. But it might also explain some of the mysteries we observe. So, is the universe finite or infinite? The truth is, we don't know yet. But every observation, every satellite, every equation brings us closer. And one day, we might find the answer. Whether it ends, loops back on itself, or stretches on forever, the quest to understand the universe's shape is a journey into the unknown. And perhaps the real beauty of the universe is that it's just big enough to keep us searching. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep space explorations. Let us know in the comments. Do you believe the universe is infinite? Or is there an edge waiting to be discovered? This is Space Knowhow. Thanks for watching. And remember, the more we know, the more the universe invites us to wonder.